Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
65 squared.
Anyone? Anyone?
Yes, scary stuff. Squaring a number means multiplying it by itself, not multiplying it by 2. So we need to work out 65 times 65. But before we start taking our shoes and socks off to help us to count, there's a secret method we can use that I call blank 5 squaring. It works for all 2-digit squared numbers that end in a 5. Use it for 15 squared, 25 squared, 35 squared, 45 squared, 55 squared, 65 squared, 75 squared, 85 squared, and 95 squared. Begin by doing the easy bit. 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25. Put this number to one side for the moment. Next, multiply the first digit by one more than itself. So in this case, multiply 6 by 7, which makes 42. Now, simply slide this number next to the 25 and we have our answer. 65 squared is 4,225. A walk in the park. Let's look at another example. 35 squared.
To infinity and beyond!
First, we need to check we can use 5 squaring. Is the number we need to square 2 digits? And does it end in a 5? Yes and yes. In which case, let's begin. 5 squared is 25. Let's put this to one side for the moment. Next, we need to multiply the 3-digit by one more than itself. 3 times 4 equals 12. Slide this answer next to the 25 and we have our final answer. 35 squared is 1,225. Genius! Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.